Hello friends, today we are going to discuss new topic. Topic name is CSAT question. This question was came in UPSC prelims 2019. Question is a wall clock moves 10 minutes fast in every 24 hour. The clock was set right show the correct time at 8 a.m. on Monday. When the clock show the time 6 p.m. on Wednesday. What is the correct time? And question mark. And option is given here. First option 5:30 p.m. Second option 5:36 5:30 p.m. Third option is 5:24 and fourth option is 5:18 p.m. First of all, see here our question is say that this the wall clock moves 10 minutes fast every 24 hour, means every 24 hour clock shows plus 10 minutes, and then the clock was set the right to show that the correct time 8 a.m. This is 8 a.m. is correct time. This is a correct time, and then this correct time is on Monday. When the clock shows the time 6 p.m. 6 p.m. on Wednesday. On Wednesday. And what is the correct time? Question mark. Our correct time is 8 a.m. on Monday. Means Monday 8 a.m. This is the correct time. After that, Tuesday 8 a.m. This is a plus 24 hour and this is a plus 10 minute. After that, Wednesday 8 a.m. This is also 24 hour. After that, 10 minute plus. And then clock shows 6 p.m. time. Means after 10 hours. This is 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. This is 10 hours. And we have found also 10 hours time also. Fastest times. This 10 plus 10. This 10 plus 10. 20 minutes. And then this 10 hours by 24 equal to 10 is 0 point and then 24 into 9 20 into 4 96 means 4. This 4 means 4 minute. This 10 plus 10 equal to 20 and plus 4 means 24 minutes is fast time, but we have found to the correct time of the Wednesday 6 p.m. This is correct time. This shows the 6 p.m. time on Wednesday, and we have found to the correct time means 6 p.m. minus 24 minutes. 24 minutes minus, because of this the 24 is fastest times shows in wall clocks. This is 60 minus 24 means there is 6 and there is 3 36 minus into 60 minutes means 6 p.m. minus 36 means 5:36 p.m. Our correct time is 5:36 p.m. means our option is option A 5:36 p.m. This is the correct time of the on Wednesday. I hope you understand this video. Thank you for video watching.